So it's 11:30 p.m. I was not having some sleep, so I decided to come to the living room and make myself useful. Thank you for coming back and watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't. Share this video to your friends. Don't be skipping the ads. So guys, I'm going to take you through a grocery haul that I did last night. Today is on Monday, the 30th of October. And I'm going to start off with these onions because I was doing this video late in the night and I could not I just had to do a voiceover for it because it was so loud. I could not speak as I was not so confident. So the next thing that I got from the supermarket was this chicken, some drumstick and some cheese, then these spring rolls. I also got myself bacon because it's been a while. I just decided to go to the supermarket and get a lot of stuff, and especially for breakfast because I hardly eat during the day. So I bought that value pack of sausages. The other thing that I got was this msafi that was coming with a bar soap. Then got this Zenta, loving it, air freshener. There were 2 for my 2 bathrooms. Yeah, and I was just trying to test out if they have very nice scents because I've never used this brand before. Yeah, they were smelling nice, especially the, I don't know what name it is. Yeah, I got myself some shower gel from Imperial. I got some lady from the supermarket and Afanya promotion. I wasn't supposed to buy this Vaseline, but Villalini convinced, I ended up getting it because why not? I also know how it feels to stand as a promo girl. Nikabuy hizo bar soap na nini hiyo kitu ya kuweka kwa choo, some Harpic for my 2 toilets. I didn't have a lot of things this time round. Yeah, nikabuy hand wash, Jake, bleach, Arimis, of course, for my face. I had another bag that now had food stuff. Yeah, I got some rolls of tissue papers. I thought that I'd taken one brand, but niliend up nimechukua brand mbili, so it doesn't hurt anyway. Hi Zoro. Yeah, another thing that I got was this 2 liters cooking oil. I mean, things are so expensive. Akukuwa na vitu ziko kwa nini, azikuwa na vitu ziko kwa offer. I decided to go ahead and get some packets of milk because I don't buy the whole nini, inaitwaje, the whole carton one, because hii maziwa moja na kunywanga twice, and I hardly even take tea sometimes. My meals are just damaged. Yeah, I'd missed the strawberry juice. I got it also. 1 kg of sugar that will be enough for me for at least a month or a month and a half. I added my rice, but it wasn't over, so I just got this one just in case it ends in the middle of the month. Ndovu ya chapati, unga ya ugali, and again self-raising flour. I really want to get some pizza. I bought toothbrushes for my guests, curry powder from Tropical. Products from Tropical are simply the best. I got some few snacks. Maybe if my friends visits and we're still contemplating on what to eat, we can have snacks before we prepare a meal. I bought those for what? Del Monte is on the Gondogo because my fridge was so empty. Then my favorite value pack for the Dairy Fresh, the chocolate flavor. And then I got some barbecue sauce because a lot of cooking is going to be happening in my house from today. I got toothpaste, then those 2 mini sodas that I love. They were around 12 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, they were 12. Today this video is not so long because I don't know why it's not so long. Nilikuwa nifanya haraka pia because I was also hungry. I wanted to eat. Yeah. I got quite a number of things. I'm not going to do shopping for at least a month or 2 if I'm not wrong. Then the water from my house has been hectic. Imekuwa tu chafu. I couldn't drink it anymore, even if I boil it. So I decided to go and take those liters because hiyo kubwa mwenye angebeba sikuwa naona. And then ketchup, of course, these Santops. I've never tried this flavor. Sijai kunywa Santop, in short. So I decided to take them because why not, and try them out. So I only took 4. And I thought I've taken so many drinks I didn't need anymore. Royco and pilau masala from Tropical. Also, this one you just put a little na pilau yako inashika vizuri na inakuwa tamu. Soy sauce, and then me with Fanta. Let me tell you guys, I can take up to 1 liter of Fanta per day as long as iko tu baridi vizuri, and I think it's an addiction that I need to stop. You see that bottle I'm holding? This bottle, I bought it the other night. Like, it's less than 24 hours. Nishafika hapo. It's an addiction that I really don't like. I love this flavor. Ya Fanta orange kabisa. It's my favorite. Let's move on to the next thing that we got. What was that? Paprika. paprika, I guess, and then vanilla essence for my pancakes. Yeah, the things that I did not get are things from maybe zimasoko to tomatoes to nyama nyama. Yeah, but I think I'm going to buy them in the course of the week. I'm not so sure, because ikubai kwa butchery, things are so expensive. Unaenda kusimama kwa butchery, unabai nyama ya 150, you look like someone who is so broke, because uwezi enda kwa butchery ununue nyama ya 60 bob juko peke yako ama ya 80. You have to surpass your 100 ifike hata 200. Lakini unakuja kwa nyumba unang'ang'ana nayo, but you know when you buy things in bulk, like ni wewe ndio unajua vile unazigawa, vile utakuwa unatumia vitu pole. Yeah, for my Swahili speakers, okay, I'm sorry, sometimes Kiswahili just comes through for us in Kenya, and we talk like we get confused with English. So I'm just going to arrange these things with you guys in the fridge and then the freezer. The things that will fit in the freezer, I'm going to put them there.